down the length of the table with the rotary table to control all of this. Review of this. This is the 2 inch.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a product review. Disclosure, I spent money to get this. The company didn't send it to me. It was COVID money, but I still spent money to get this, okay? Not a shill. Just someone who bought something and want to tell you about it. Okay. The vendor is Micromark. Two-inch boring head. It's the only 2-inch boring head that Micromark carries. As you see, I chose the 1/2-inch straight shank. They have R8, so that's 2 possibilities. This looks like a pretty standard size thread. You could probably get other adapters elsewhere. Now, about the boring head. $99.95. This is a $100 boring head all day long. Okay? You can get a better 2-inch boring head if you spend $500 and get a Criterion. 100 or 500. 100 or 500. Wait a minute. Just pretend you don't hear that crap in the background. I'm not going to ask my old lady to turn it down. Then I'll have to stop recording for 5 days while she yells and screams at me. Anyway, you can spend $500 for a Criterion the same size. And I'm not convinced you'd be getting your full $500 worth. That's where it's at. Now, it is true that some people might complain that this adapter isn't hardened. For me, that's a good thing, because after I put it in the lathe and push a 3/8 24 thread into that, it gonna get chopped. That way I can thread it onto the headstock of my shear line, the tailstock of my shear line, and when I make the little block that mounts on the cross slide of my lathe to the cross slide of the lathe. Yeah. Then I get to show you how I envision doing ball and socket turning micrometer setting for the shear line radius turning tool. That's minor. This is used for the radius turning. I call it ball and sockets. Important there, ball and sockets. I haven't seen anyone using the one element I am adding. Everyone else, I'll be borrowing this from that guy, this from that guy, this from that guy, but one original from Poppy. Well, there's almost 5 minutes here.